Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put apps on the desktop on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So let's get started. So by default, you might not see much icon here. You might see one or two icon if you recently set up your Windows computer, and this is how you can add it. There's two different ways to add it. First option is if you want to add a default stuff, you're going to first start by going to the Start menu, and then from there on, go over to Settings. Now, once you get to your settings here, we're going to go over to Personalization. And from Personalization, we're going to scroll down a little bit further under Themes. And from Themes here, we're going to scroll a little bit further down. It's going to be an option that says Desktop Icon Settings. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here, as you can see here, by Desktop Icon Settings, a couple things here. You might by default see that it's selected to maybe have like things like one or two of them. So if you wanted to add other icons, for example, your computer, you would select that. As you can see here, my PC shows up. If you want user files, you want to select that. It'll show up your user files. If you wanted like the control panel, you can also do that as well. And then network if you wanted to do that. And if you select that, you're just going to hit apply and then hit OK. And those icons will be added, or the apps will be added. Now, another way you might be also wondering to add apps is like apps that you download and install yourself, not the default one. In that case, you're going to exit out of that menu, click on Start, and you're going to see where all the apps are showing here. We're going to click on All to see all the apps that are available here. You can search for an app or find one here. So if you wanted to add a app to the desktop, you can simply drag and drop with your mouse or trackpad. For example, I'm holding on to this one and then dropping it onto my desktop, and it's being added as a shortcut. And you want to go ahead and do that for each app by opening up the menu here and then show all and then search for it or find it. So let's add another one. And all I'm doing here, really simple. Again, I'm just drag and dropping it over. So let's go ahead and find another app. For example, I wanted to maybe at Spotify, right? You can go ahead and just drag and drop on. Again, these are the install apps. So that's how you can put apps on your desktop, on your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.